Hi, my name is Jason, customer service with FoxFury Lighting. Today I'm going to take a look at replacing the battery on our Nomad NOW and N56 series. The only thing you'll need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver. I recommend a size 1. Electric works great as long as it's low powered. Hand works as well. On the back you'll see 8 screws. We'll go ahead and take those out. There'll be no particular order to this. Now that we have all 8 of the back panel screws undone, the back panel will separate. Just be careful. There's a grounding wire attached to this back panel, so you don't want to pull that out. There you'll see our battery pack and a strap that runs across it. The quickest and easiest step to do anything about this, go ahead and disconnect the battery pack by pinching the white Molex clips together, and they'll separate pretty easily. Now there's another small screw that's holding the battery pack in, and you'll go ahead and undo that. Strap will break free, and you'll be able to lift the battery pack out of the unit. When you're ready to put it back in, you'll just repeat the steps in the same order. Bring the strap over, connect the Molex clips, put the back panel back on. Careful not to pinch that grounding wire, you don't want to break that. And then reinstall the 8 back panel screws. I'm going to reinstall these in a cross pattern. So that way I know that the back panel actually closes nice and evenly. Hope this quick video helped you. You can find written instructions in our manual. See you next time.